We're in the great state of Wisconsin today at Oshkosh 2024. I am Bruce Grammon, Senior Field Service Engineer with Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics and True Blue Power. I thought we would go over a little bit and come into the Honeywell booth and take a look at the new KX200. We have a lot of calls and we do a lot of repairs on the old KX155s. The problem we're having is trying to get parts getting harder to get, plus then the cost to do the repairs. So we got this great option that I'm going to show you today, and all we have to do is direct replacement. So we want to show you how easy this is going to be, and you're going to love it. So follow me. Let me show you how easy this is. So all we're going to do is we're going to cut power. I'm going to pull this out. We need to, you're going to have to unscrew it first, but we're making this easy and going to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to pull this out of here. There's your tray connector and that. Then we got this awesome box here, this new KX200. You're gonna love it. It's a good box. On the back here, you're gonna be able to see this is what makes it the direct replacement. So the box itself is just a primary box. It's 11 to 32 volt. It's a good box. What makes it the direct fit is we have a plate, we have this adapter that goes on the back. So this adapter is either for a 14 or 28 volt unit. So when you order your box, you're gonna wanna say that you have a 14 or you have a 28, and that's what we're gonna have for the adapter that goes on the back. That's usually for the voltage input. It already has glide slope, everything else built into it. So if you have a glide slope, it's gonna work. If you don't, then you don't have to worry about it because it's still going to work for your application. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate. We're going to slide it in, pop it in there, and then you're going to screw it in with your tool when it comes to that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to show you. So we're going to apply power, and look at there, come right up. Isn't that cool? Now we have our new box. So has all the features as what you have, your flip-flops, has everything else, your ident, your NAV, everything back and forth, frequency, and so on. You don't have to pull anymore because everything is push and then turn, okay? And we can come through, but it's really nice, soft, great features. So anyway, that's how I wanted to demonstrate a little bit today, how easy this is going to be for you, and all that logbook entry. That's all you need to do, and you're going to be good to go. Don't worry about an STC, any of that kind of stuff. It's all taken care of. BendixKing will have it all in the install menu for you. Give us a call. Have any questions, tech support, or even if you just want to buy it from us, we're going to have it for you. Going to have plenty in stock. So give us a call. Mid-Continent Instruments, Avionics, True Blue Power, anytime. Anyway, you have a great day. We're going to go back out and see some air show stuff. Thank you.